guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be filming a video on this powder squishy like slime just add water product that I got from Michael's. So yeah, let's get on with this video. So if you guys are looking for this product, I did get this at Michael's for about $7 plus tax about $8 and a couple of cents, but it's just basically these packets of purple powder, and all you do is just add water and you wait and it turns into slime. So let me read the instructions. First step says fill water up to line. Second step says add all 11 powder packets. Step 3 says shake until slime is well mixed. And step 4 is wait 10 minutes for perfect slime. So I'm going to go fill up the water up to the line. So I will be right back. So I do have the water filled up to the line that it says. It's just filled up a little more than that. As you can see here, there's the water. Sorry about all the noise, but it says add all 11 powder packets. So I'm just going to add these packets now. But I'm adding it separately because it's easier if I just add it. Hold on. Sorry about that. So just going to add all the powder into this. It is going to take a while because the powder does kind of get everywhere, but let me get some scissors to speed up the process so that it can add easier. Just go in all at once. Alright, second packet done. Third packet done. Sorry if I do happen to pause the video. It's just that someone or some person is about to walk into my room and I don't want to show them on the camera. Couple more packets to go and we can get this process sped up. So basically you're just supposed to pour in all these packets of powder and you shake it. It does its thing. Alright, 2 more packets. It does its thing. Well, like I said, you're supposed to shake it beforehand before it does its thing so that it can get activated. It does kind of get all over the place, but it should make a little more than 1 powder of slime. I mean 1 pound of slime. So now you gotta close the cap and you gotta shake it. Just keep on shaking until it is well mixed. This is a really cool product. This is the only color that I found at Michael's because I believe this was the last one. So it's says shake until well mixed. That means all the powder and all the water has to be well mixed. Shake, 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 shake. Just gotta keep on shaking it until it is well mixed. And you just leave it there and wait for 10 minutes. So when the 10 minutes are up, I will be right back. So yeah, don't know why I did this, but yeah. Alright guys, so it has been 10 minutes and this is what the slime looks like. I'm kind of excited to see what it actually looks like. Wow, it is really, really, really squishy. It's a little sticky, but it's okay. It actually is squishy and it sticks to you, but that's okay. It is really stretchy, and this is a lot of slime. It smells weird. But that's okay. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please remember to like, subscribe, comment down below what else you guys want to see. And yeah, love you guys. Bye.